Hi guys, this is me, Lucas Boy. You're thinking, what exactly is this? I tried making a Rubik's Cube, but it can't move. So it has black, red, white, grey, I probably said green and grey, yeah. So this is a tutorial. You will need a plate, two of these, or you can just get a red plate, a blue plate, and probably another two. And then for the other two, I used a 4, 2 of these, and 1 of these in green, and just whatever will cover up the top black. And my friend, I can't remember who it is, but he watches. Oh yeah, he's called Levi. He's in my school, and he watches my videos, which he's probably gonna see this one. So first, I'm gonna show you how to make the top. First, you'll need 1 of these. You can get one by a thing flat, and then just do that. Fill it all at the bottom. Wait, 1 by 4, and then fill it all at the bottom except the middle. Okay, so that is really easy. But now we're gonna make the actual. Oh, this piece. So first, you will need this piece, and you can get a 4, put it there, and do that on all of the sides, so you'll have this. That's probably gonna take a while. And then, oh yeah, it's a 4. Then you'll probably get this piece, face it whatever way, probably on that way. And then you can get your white, like that. Get your blue, exactly like that. Get your greys and your reds. But what are you missing? That's right, the black and the red. Put the black and red. And then at the bottom, you can just put the green. And I'm actually really happy that I made this. So, and that is the tutorial. I just pulled apart the pieces and then I remembered. I always do the white on the white, so if I would have like a color, but this took me a bit of time, I'd say about 2 minutes, because I had to find all of the pieces. And oh, see this, my stuff. And I just thought, how could we make this? So yeah, and I appreciate for watching, and please subscribe because that would really help me. And that is my video. Thank you for watching.